So the story of Diota starts from like constatation that we do have today like digital and 3D model in the design office. So meaning it's very easy in the design office to do a 3D model to add information to do the modification that is required there. But when you go to the shop, you are still with like paper, with like a lot of difficulties, and you have to modify all the job instruction to be able to operate. So this is the beginning of Diota, and the objective was to modify this and to make sure there is a full continuity between the design office and the people on the floor in order, to help people who actually work, actually assemble the component to perform their task, and also for all the quality and control inspection. So this is what we do. So from the design office, you will have two kind of solution. The solution on the field, which is for the operator itself to help him to make the assembly based on one by one instruction, step by step process, and also with any kind of inspection task in the middle. And you have the link between this world and the 3D model. This is also key for value addition, because in this world it's very important to be able to transfer the 3D model to the shop very easily. So we have some automatic tools to do both ways of information and make sure you have a full continuity in the data. So then I will give some facts on the company. So Diota is today a bit more than 50 people, working with major stakeholders in the industry, especially in the aerospace today. I can quote, so of course, Thales, Safran, Dassault, and some major players to do the assembly using augmented reality. And then to open on what's coming next with Diota, will be mainly on all inspection and control activity, because if you think about it, when you are able to stick the 3D model and the real object, then the next step will be to compare and to do some automatic inspection. The first product will be based on robotics, so meaning we did put the technology in a robot, and then you can do any automatic inspection for the assembly in the industry.